Every time you get a Python error in your code, a crime has been committed. Luckily, every crime can be solved by looking at the clues. What do we got here? You're late. By deciphering where the error occurred, who committed the error, and why the error occurred, you can bring your script to justice and keep your analysis safe. Luckily, the clues are right in front of our nose when Python generates an error message. So first, to the scene of the crime. Python error messages point to the exact line of code where the crime was committed in your script. And, if necessary, they will trace back to questionable code in whatever function or package is involved. This allows you to pinpoint the functions and variables being used when the crime was committed. Next, we need to find out who done it. Python has standard error types, and one is generated for each error. These error types tell you who committed the crime, and understanding each error's modus operandi can help you solve the case. Finally, we need to find out why. Motive is the key to solving this mystery, and luckily every error comes with a message that reveals the motive. These messages serve as the error's confession. They reveal why the error occurred, and sometimes tell you how to solve the case. By looking at the clues and asking where, who, and why, you can solve the crimes committed in your code and keep your analysis safe.
Hey researchers! We understand during these uncertain times, you still need digital research skills support while working from home.
We have been working hard behind the scenes to present to you an online digital skills support pack. This includes our Tech Tools Online e-learning videos,
self-paced online learning modules, and community initiatives like virtual help hours.
And to keep informed about content and more updates, follow us on our socials.